Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to combine cooking with science. Now, you'll have to bear with me, but as you can see, there's cold air that is coming out of this. You may not be able to actually see it because of the camera, but there is cold air that is coming out of my freezer right now. This is important because if we juxtapose this with me putting this ground beef onto the skillet, you can actually see that hot air is rising right now. So now I'm going to cook me some lunch, and then we're going to get to science.
346 minutes later.
Okay, so while that's simmering, let's move on to the actual science. Now, as I said before, the steam coming up is very similar to warm air in the atmosphere rising, and this steam that's coming out of the freezer is similar to cool air that is falling in the atmosphere. That's where this is coming in. This is going to be a lesson on the Earth's atmosphere. Now, as you can see here, I've drawn a convection cell of the Earth, a convection cell in between the Earth's troposphere and the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface is warm and the upper troposphere is cool. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is that cool air is always high pressure, while warm air is always low pressure. This is important because air always flows from high to low pressure. Just an important thing to keep in mind. Next, we're going to talk about the different circulation cells that exist on the Earth. Here we have the Hadley cell, which moves from 0 degrees to 30 degrees. Then we have the Ferrel cell, which moves from 30 to 60 degrees. And then we have the polar cell, which moves from 60 to 90 degrees. Now, the important thing to keep in mind with this is that rising air is just something that releases pressure within the atmosphere, while descending air is air that is pushed to the ocean surface. Important note. Now then, lastly, we're going to cover a picture of the Earth and its atmosphere. As you can see, there's plenty of circulation cells, or convection cells, around the Earth here. And these little lines are different winds that happen around the Earth at a certain degree. Anyway, the way they're curved is because of something called the Coriolis effect, which I sadly can't get to in this video because of time. But what you need to know with these is that this one here starts in the east and goes to the west. Therefore, it is an easterly. Then this one up here starts in the west and goes to the east. Therefore, it is a westerly. Simple as that. That concludes cooking science. I hope you have a great day.